Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by assembling core parts so the build can begin immediately. Lay 2 thick cardboard panels flat and glue a layered frame between them to form a rigid box. This gives structural stability and reduces flex while you work. Once the box is solid, cut an access hatch and mark the precise center line for internal optics. Make sure to route the battery cable stub and clock module mounting now. Doing this early prevents rework and keeps internal layout predictable. You now construct the internal mechanism that creates the illusion of temporal displacement. Align mirrors and lens to direct a focused beam into the center mirror plane, because precise angles produce stable reflections. Once done, wind a neat copper coil and anchor it to the base. The coil provides electromagnetic shimmer when pulsed, which reinforces the visual effect. Then mount the clock module so its pulse triggers the coil. Make sure to test pulses and adjust spacing for consistent operation. You finish by sealing the box while leaving the viewing slot accessible. Install a translucent diffuser over the slot to soften reflections and make the effect readable. Once powered, observe the focal point and slowly adjust mirror tilt in 1-degree increments until the pattern stabilizes, because small angular changes matter. If the device flickers or the coil stutters, check electrical contacts, tighten glue joints that allow vibration, and swap to a fresh battery. That troubleshooting step usually resolves the most common failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.